Welcome to Spirit VPOS. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss floors management. On the main screen, you can see different floor names such as Main Hall, Online App, Takeaway, Delivery, and Outdoor. Each floor has its own set of tables, and you can add or remove tables on any floor as needed. Go to the top right corner and click on the menu button. From the options that appear, select Administration, Floors Management. You will be taken to the floor screen, where you can view all details related to your floors. From here, you may also edit existing floors. To add a new floor, click on the Add New button. A pop-up will appear where you need to enter the name of the floor, set the status, then click on the Save button. Your new floor will now be added successfully. And that's it, you have learned how to manage floors in Spirit VPOS.